Hey everyone, welcome back to LATERRA'S channel. Today we are diving into an essential topic for everyone who loves wigs or is considering purchasing one. I'll be discussing the differences between HD lace and transparent lace. These terms are often thrown around in the wig community, but what do they really mean? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which lace is best suited for your needs. So let's get started. What is HD lace? First, let's talk about HD lace. HD stands for high definition. HD lace is known for its ultra thin and delicate nature. This type of lace is designed to be virtually invisible when applied to the scalp, providing a flawless and natural hairline. Because it's so thin, it blends seamlessly with any skin tone, making it a favorite for those who want the most natural looking wigs. However, this also means that HD lace is more fragile and requires careful handling to avoid tearing. Okay, so here's a close-up shot of HD lace on my type of skin tone. This is real authentic HD lace. It's stretchy, and look, you see that? I always want to find HD lace with small knots. You don't want thick knots, because when you have them thick knots, it's hard to pluck. You want small knots. It's easy for plucking and bleaching. This is real HD lace. It's very stretchy and it's very, very thin. It's easy to rip. All right? So this is HD lace. Be mindful, all right? HD lace. Now, what is transparent lace? Now, let's move on to transparent lace. Transparent lace is another popular option in the wig world. It's slightly thicker than HD lace, which makes it more durable. Transparent lace is designed to be versatile and can be tinted to match various skin tones. While it may not be as visible as HD lace, it's still a great choice for a natural looking hairline, especially when properly tinted and blended. What is the key differences between HD lace and transparent lace? So, what are the key differences between HD lace and transparent lace? The most obvious difference is the texture and thickness. HD lace is thinner and more delicate, making it less detectable when applied. Transparent lace, on the other hand, is a bit thicker and more durable. Another important difference is how they perform under different lighting conditions. HD lace tends to look more natural in high definition settings, such as under bright lights or in close-up photos. Transparent lace might require a bit more work to achieve the same effect, but is generally more robust and can handle more wear and tear. That's the difference. You see how thick this is? It's not stretchy like the HD lace. You see? You see? So let me show you both at the same time. This is the transparent lace, and this is the HD lace. Do you see the difference in the lace? Can't you tell? This is very thin, like see-through, and this is more thick. This is more durable than the HD lace. This is easy to rip, and this is more stronger. This is transparent lace. This is the difference. You can see. All right? So that is the difference between the two. Let's weigh the pros and cons of HD lace. One of the biggest advantages of HD lace is its natural appearance. It's almost undetectable, making it perfect for close-up photos and videos. It blends with all skin tones without the need for additional tinting. However, because it's so delicate, HD lace can tear easily and requires careful handling. It is also typically more expensive than transparent lace due to its high quality material and high demand on the market. This is why HD lace is always expensive and sometimes it's so hard to get. I'm so sorry, guys. I lost the next clip and had to re-record this clip for you guys. All my videos are raw and unedited, so you are seeing me like this in this clip. Sorry, I done took my wig off, but I had to re-record again. Now, let's look at the pros and cons of the transparent lace. All right. Transparent lace is more durable and can withstand more handling, which makes it a great choice for everyday wear. It's also generally more affordable than HD lace. The main drawback is that it might require tinting to match your skin tone perfectly, which can be an extra step in the application process. Additionally, it might not look as seamless as HD lace in high definition settings. So I'm going to get to the pros and cons of the transparent lace. Make sure you screenshot the next clip, all right? So which lace should you choose? It really depends on your personal needs and preferences. If you are looking for the most natural appearance and don't mind a bit of extra care, HD lace is the way to go. However, if you need something more durable and budget friendly, transparent lace is an excellent option for you. Consider how often you'll wear the wig and in the settings to make the best version or decision for your own choice. I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison again. To wrap up, both HD lace and transparent lace have their unique benefits and, drawbacks. Understand these differences can help you choose the right wig for your needs. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more beauty and hair care tips. And leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.